Hi guys, back again, and as promised from our last video, we're gonna go ahead and show you how the turn cornmeal was made, or ton cornmeal as we call it in Jamaica. However, different places call it different things, but let's go and get started. So first we start by boiling some kidney beans until they are soft, and then going ahead to add some coconut milk to that. Right, so we're gonna boil the kidney beans until they're soft, and then we go ahead and add some coconut milk to that and stir it in. Then we're gonna add some scotch bonnet pepper, some scallion, and some thyme. And what the coconut milk and ground seasoning does, and scotch bonnet pepper, is to provide the ton cornmeal with lots of flavor. Then we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna add some butter. So half stick of butter, we're going to add that to the mix as well. Then we're going to go ahead and we're going to season the pot as well, because we want the ton cornmeal to be well seasoned. Great. So guys, if this is or this has another name where you're from, let me know. We're also going to go ahead and we're going to add some basil as well. Great, and we're gonna go ahead and stir that all together. So guys, just a reminder to don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe, turn on that notification bell so you can be updated as we put out new content. All right, so go ahead and have that done for us today. Help us to grow this channel. So guys, we're gonna go ahead now, we're gonna add a little bit of salt as well, just to heighten that flavor. And we're gonna stir that in. So once we have everything together, we're gonna let that boil for about 2 to 3 minutes, basically, so all the flavors can come together. Because as we said, the ton cornmeal have a flavor. Good. So once it is where we want it to be, then the next step is to go ahead and add our cornmeal. Right, great. So it's looking good, guys. Everything is together. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna add our cornmeal. Right, so you're not gonna add all the cornmeal at once. You're gonna add a half of it first. You're gonna stir that in, and then you're gonna add the other half once you're fully stirred in that half first. So stir that in, add a little bit more, stir again. Hence the name turn cornmeal, because you have to keep on stirring and turn so that everything can come together. Great guys, so we're turning. We want everything to come together. Alright. So you're gonna turn and turn until everything is mixed out. Right? Because you don't want to eat no raw cornmeal. So you have to ensure that you stir that in properly. So you're gonna stir that in until all the mixture is stirred in properly. So as I said, hence the name turn cornmeal, because you have to turn that cornmeal until everything is mixed up together. Guys, it's looking lovely so far. And as I said, most people add different things to their cornmeal or turn cornmeal. You know, I added peas because I love it with red kidney peas. Great guys, so once you have stirred that in successfully, you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna add a little water, because guess what, you're gonna let this steam out, and you don't want the cornmeal to be hard, you want it to be soft, right? And hence the water and letting it steam out, because cornmeal gets hard really quickly, so you want that ton cornmeal to be soft and moist. So you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna add water, and then you're gonna cover that for a little while. Great. So whilst it is steam, and we usually let this steam out for about 30 minutes, right, on a low flame. So you're gonna let that steam out and you're gonna continually turn it because you don't want it to stick to the pot. And once you feel that it's getting too hard, then you can go ahead and you can tip a little bit of water as you go along, right? So once it is fully steamed out, then you are good to go. And as I said, you do this on a low flame. Guys, that's looking lovely so far. Great, guys. So I went ahead and I served this with some brown stew fish that I had prepared, and guys, it's looking lovely. It's very moist, very nice. As I said, you can do this with anything. You can do this with peas. You can add anything you want. It's up to you. So guys, tell me what you think about this cornmeal. Spam up the comments, guys. Yes, tell us what you think. Just go ahead, give this a thumbs up, give it a like, drop a comment, and guys, thanks for watching.